Today I propose to take up 3 problems relating to children. The first one is malaria. It is an intermittent fever with headache and devastating shivering. There is body pain. The patient suffers from headache. Excellent medicines are available in homeopathy. If the chill, which is a hallmark of malaria, comes generally in the forenoon, the patient needs China 30, CHINA 30. There is a well-defined periodicity and stages. The fever comes at exactly the same time every day. In such cases, the shivering is distressing. The patient vomits and is weakened by outflow of liquids. There is hardly anyone who has not had malaria at one time or the other. If there is unbearable pain in bones besides other malarial symptoms, and when the chill comes at 10:30 am, give Eupatorium perf 30, EUPATORIUM perf 30. If the extremities turn blue, the patient has a chronic malarial state with weakness, constipation, and loss of appetite. We prescribe Natrum Mur 30, NATRUM MUR 30. Here too the chill comes at 10:30 am. The next malady which I take up is measles. Already a video has been uploaded on YouTube. It is a highly contagious, serious viral infection occurring mostly in childhood. It's a common disease from which most of the sufferers recover completely. The symptoms are: the patient develops a high fever, running nose and cough. About 4 days later, a pink rash is visible inside of the cheeks. Please notice, inside of the cheeks. Later, a red, non-itchy rash starts on the head and spreads downwards. The eyes turn red and painful. The nose is stuffed or running. The patient has hacking cough. There can be complications. Consult your physician, but the medicines I indicate are very effective. In cases of severe body pain, chill running up the spine, congestion in the head, a feeling of a steel band tightening around the head, harsh, croupy cough, please give gel Semium 30, GELSEMIUM, remarkable medicine. As the fever declines, laryngitis develops. The patient has hoarse, brassy cough. He has earache with nausea. Thick, ropey, green mucus flows down the throat, and it is difficult to take out this mucus. Give Kali Bike 30. In case there is bland, yellow-green, thick mucus easily flowing out, the patient needs Pulsatilla 30, PULSATILLA 30. When the patient suffers from debility, restlessness, thirst for sips of water at short intervals, midnight aggravation, he needs arsenic alb, ARSENIC ALB 200. Remark: take note of debility, restlessness. If the patient suffers from hacking bronchial cough, pain in the center of the rib cage, aggravation on movement, Bryonia 200 comes in. It takes care of lung problems, avoids bronchitis, cuts short the duration of sickness. If eyes, nose and mucous membranes are inflamed, there is constant sneezing, bloody discharge from the nose, give Euphrasia 200, EUPHRASIA 200. Euphrasia relieves cough, alleviates the distress of fever. For cough and fever developing after measles, Silesia 200 comes in handy. The third item on this DVD is mumps, which is an acute inflammatory contagious disease characterized by the swelling of the salivary glands and sometimes of the pancreas, ovaries or testes. It can be prevented by vaccination. The symptoms include inflammation of salivary glands beneath and in front of the ear. Swelling is prominent, first one side then the other. There is discomfort in eating, terrible pain, fever, headache. Isolate the child for 10 days until mumps have subsided, because the disease is contagious. Belladonna 30 is to be given when the face is red, flushed, the child is sensitive to light, it is restless, and if the swelling is soft, rosy hue, and it is painful, there is no thirst, give Apis, APIS 30. In cases of hard swelling, Bryonia 30 comes in, BRYONIA 30. The patient is irritable and worse on movement. Its lips are dry, cracked. It is thirsty for large quantity of water. When the disease spreads to testes, the patient needs pulsatilla 30, PULSATILLA 30. These are all excellent remedies, very effective. Just take care to listen to the video, the symptoms as described, and choose on the basis of symptoms. Correct choice would lead to cure. Thank you for visiting this site, listening to me. We'll meet again. I am posting several videos every week on YouTube on various subjects like homeopathy, Valmiki Ramayana, Srimad Bhagavatam, Meera, the poet who rebelled, etc. Please visit those sites and enjoy. Thank you once again.